Students, today I am going to teach about the topic nanoelectronics and devices. Before entering into the topic, I will give the introduction about nanoelectronics and devices. It is one of the application of nanotechnology in the field of electronics and electronic components. That's why it is named as nanoelectronics and devices. A special attention is given in the case of transistors. These transistors have a size less than 100 nanometers. They are very small. That separate studies have to be made for knowing the quantum mechanical properties and interatomic design. In the transistor is in nanometer range. They are designed through nanotechnology. The design is also very different from the traditional transistors. So these are all the introduction about the nanoelectronic devices. The first topic in this unit is electron density in bulk material. Then what is bulk material? Bulk material is a huge material. Well, definition is collection of atoms having properties that are from individual atom. That is known as bulk material. The number of available energy states for nanomaterial is different from that of the bulk material. In a bulk material, the states within energy gap are very close. That is, the energy levels are very close and they are look like a band-like structure. In this case, the total number of electron states can be determined with the help of the equation capital N is equal to 8 pi divided by 3 h cube into 2me whole power 3 by 2 into V. And you have to take this is equation number 1. Here capital N be the number of electron states, E the energy levels, and M be the mass of the electron. The number of available energy states per unit volume is given by small n, that is equal to capital N divided by V. Here you have to substitute that value of capital N. You have to divide it by capital V, means after simplification we will get the value small n is equal to 8 pi divided by 3 h cube into 2me whole power 3 by 2. Differentiating the above equation with respect to E, we can get the density of states. Then now we see the definition of density of states. It is defined as the number of available energy states per unit energy per unit value. It is represented by Z of E. Density of states provide information how the energy states are distributed. Simply, the density of states gives the information how the energy levels are distributed in a material. Here Z of E is equal to dN divided by dE. Here you have to just substitute that value of N. Then we will get the value of Z of E is equal to 8 pi divided by h cube into m power whole power 3 by 2 into ZE, that is 2E whole power half. Density of states of bulk material is directly proportional to the square root of energy. Finally, here the density of state is directly proportional to the square root of energy, e power half. Here we have to take the Fermi distribution function f of E. We know the definition. The probability of finding particle in a given energy state is given by Fermi function f of E. We know the equation f of E is equal to 1 by 1 plus e power e minus ef divided by kBt. Multiplying the Fermi function with the density of states, then we will get the number of available energy states per unit volume per unit energy. That is Z of E f of E is equal to 8 pi divided by h cube m power whole power 3 by 2 into 2e whole power half, then multiply by Fermi function 1 by 1 plus e power e minus ef divided by kBt. The electron density is given by integrating the above equation in between the limits 0 and infinity. Then finally we will get the value of Ne is equal to, after substituting the value of f of E, Z of E, we will get the value integral 0 to infinity 8 pi divided by h cube into m power whole power 3 by 2 2e whole power half into 1 by 1 plus e power ef minus e power E minus Ef divided by kBT. Then at T is equal to 0 Kelvin, the zero energy will be transferred into Fermi energy. So the limits will be changed. Therefore, Ne is equal to integral 0 to Ef. Then after integrating this whole equation, we will get the density of electrons of the bulk material. Ne is equal to 8 pi divided by h cube into 2m whole power 3 by 2 into Ef naught whole power 3 by 2. This is the final equation.